Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh, I'm your bartender, I'm your host. Welcome to our show again. Today we are gonna make something pretty common drink but just with a small twist to it. As you see, we got a milk, chocolate syrup, coffee and sugar and rum. So it's basically we're gonna make a rum cold coffee today, alright? So it's a basic cold coffee with just a twist of rum in it. And yeah, let's make it. Alright, so in order to make our drink, we are gonna be needing a blender jar. So first thing, I'm putting some ice in it. Put plenty of ice in it, that's fine. Then the next thing, I'll be using a Old Monk rum. It's an Indian dark rum, famous all over the world and India. So I'll be using this rum, but you can use any rum you want. Alright, so I'm adding some rum into it. You can add the way you want. I'm putting 1.5 ounces in it. You can add 2 ounces, 1 ounce, half ounce, depends on the palate or the taste buds you have. So it doesn't matter. So yeah, the next thing I'll be adding is milk. Make sure you guys are using full fat milk. Alright, that's it. And the next thing we'll be using sugar. Make sure you guys are using a lot of sugar because you added rum in it. I'm gonna put almost like 2 tablespoons approximately altogether. And the last thing is a coffee. Alright. I like coffee, so I'm just gonna put more coffee into it. But you can put it the way you want, okay? Some people like mild coffee, some people like strong, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so this is it. And then we're gonna blend it. Alright, seems like our coffee is ready. So I got the glass, I put some chocolate sauce inside. It's time to pour it. So let's do it, our rum cold coffee. Ooh la la. That's looking good. Alright. Then I'm gonna put some more chocolate sauce on top as garnish, and plus, who doesn't like chocolate, right? Nobody minds more chocolate. Alright. Then the final touch, straw. Alright. There you have it, the rum cold coffee.